Good day once again, and we're looking at the question given P is 3, 4, 5, 6, and Q equals 1, negative 7, negative 2, 0. And we're looking at C where it says 2/3 P minus a half Q. So it's going to be 2/3 times 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus a half, 1, negative 7, negative 2, 0. And so we'll multiply the 2/3 to each element and a half to each element. So this will give us 2/3 times 3, 2/3 times 4, 2/3 times 5, 2/3 times 6. Minus a half times 1, a half times negative 7, a half times negative 2, and a half times 0. Alright? So this will give us, I'll try to fit it in there so that you can see. So the 2/3 of 3 will, the 3's will cancel, leaving me with 2. 2/3 times 4 is going to be 8/3. Can't do anything there. 2/3 times 5 is going to be 10/3. And 2/3 times 6, the 3 will cancel. So 3 into 3, 1, 3 into 6, 2, which will give me 4. Minus a half times 1 is just a half. A half times negative 7 is negative 7 halves. A half times negative 2, the 2's will cancel, giving me negative 1. And any number times 0 is 0. So that's what we have so far.
So right there, I guess stop.
Subtract. So we say 2 minus a half, 8/3 minus a negative 7 halves, 10/3 minus negative 1, and 4 minus 0. So 2 minus a half is 1.5. A negative and a negative is a positive, but I'm going to need an LCM. And the LCM there is 6. 6 divided by 3 is 2 times 8 is 16. Plus 6 divided by 2 is 3 times 7 is 21. A negative and a negative here is a positive. So that's going to be 3 1/3 plus 1. And 4 minus 0 is 4. So that means that my final answer is 1.5. 16 and 21 will be 38/6. 3 1/3 plus 1 is 4 1/3, and then 4. You can leave it like this, and that is perfectly fine. But if you want to have all of them like mixed numbers, this will be 1.5. 6 into 38 is 6 with 2 remainder. So 2 over 6 is 1/3. 4 1/3, and 4. You don't have to do this last step. Up to here, it's fine. And as I told you before,